Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have an epic showdown between two treadmills that will revolutionize your fitness routine.
On the left, we have the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill, and on the right, we have the VIPLAT walking pad treadmill.
It's time for a treadmill face-off.
Let's kick things off with the most important factor for many of us, the price.
The Goplus treadmill comes in at $299, while the VIPLAT treadmill is slightly cheaper at $249.
Ding, ding, ding.
Round 1 goes to the VIPLAT treadmill for being budget-friendly.
Innovation is key in today's world, and both treadmills bring some cool features to the table. The Goplus treadmill is a 2-in-1 wonder, allowing you to switch between a jogging machine and a running treadmill.
It even has a handrail that can be raised for different running speeds.
On the other hand, the VIPLAT treadmill boasts a new technology that keeps it on track, so no more annoying adjustments mid-workout.
Innovation is a tie in this round. Now let's talk power. The Goplus treadmill flexes its muscles with a powerful 2.25 HP motor, allowing you to walk or run without disturbing others. Meanwhile, the VIPLAT treadmill comes in strong with a 2.5 horsepower motor, ensuring a quiet and comfortable exercise experience. It's a close call, but the VIPLAT treadmill takes the crown in this category.
When it comes to the actual running experience, both treadmills have their own tricks up their sleeves.
The Goplus treadmill boasts a non-slip running belt with a spacious running area, providing a superior cushion for your knees and muscles. Plus, it has a multifunctional LED display to keep track of your progress. On the other hand, the VIPLAT treadmill offers 8 impact absorbing zones on the belt, protecting your joints and providing a non-slip diamond pattern surface. It's a tie in this round. Both treadmills offer excellent running experiences.
Now let's dive into the extra goodies.
The Goplus treadmill comes with a Bluetooth speaker, phone holder, remote control, and even an app for recording exercise data and running with other users. Talk about a tech-savvy treadmill.
On the flip side, the VIPLAT treadmill keeps it simple with a space-saving design and built-in wheels for easy storage.
It also offers a lifetime service guarantee. In this category, it's a matter of preference. Do you want the bells and whistles or the minimalist approach?
The Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill and the VIPLAT walking pad treadmill have battled it out, and both have their strengths.
The Goplus treadmill impresses with its innovative design and tech features, while the VIPLAT treadmill excels in affordability and motor power. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your personal preferences and fitness goals. Remember, always do your research before making a purchase, and don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more unbiased product comparisons. Stay smart, stay savvy, and happy shopping!